Before you begin, remove the access panel, system memory, M.2 solid-state drive, graphics card, wireless LAN module, system fan, heatsink, and CPU. Removal. Disconnect the following from the motherboard: 4-pin power connector, rear system fan connector, audio connector, 24-pin power connector, hard drive SATA connector, front I/O USB connector, lighting control module connector, power switch connector, power LED connector. Note: the power switch connector and the power LED connector have a positive and negative side. A positive and negative symbol are silkscreened on the motherboard to help identify how the connectors should be inserted. The red cables are positive and should always be closest to the CPU. Restore the CMOS factory settings first, before replacing the system motherboard. To do so, remove the battery from the motherboard. Wait 30 seconds. Replace the battery to the motherboard. CMOS factory settings are now reset. Note: you will now need to enter system BIOS and reset the clock in BIOS after this procedure. Remove the 8 P1 Phillips head screws that secure the motherboard to the side chassis. Partially lift the front of the motherboard upwards. Partially lift the edge at the top side of the unit to release the connectors from the rear I/O panel. At the front of the motherboard, grasp either side and gently pull backwards. Lift out and remove. Replacement. Grasp the motherboard on either side and tow the rear I/O connectors into the rear I/O panel until the motherboard sits snugly in place. Replace 8 P1 Phillips head screws that secure the motherboard to the side chassis. Reconnect all of the connectors to the motherboard.